And today's video is gonna be on me and a special guest. And well, I got this dog for a Christmas gift, but I know it's not Christmas right now, it's an early Christmas gift or whatever. So it was like around the end of November, but I really need something to make a video on. So I'm basically gonna do like a vlog of me washing her. Her name is Charm. So this is a good little intro for this video. Stay tuned, watch, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. And yeah, okay, so I was gonna record from like up here, but I'm not. I'm gonna record from like a back angle because I don't want my phone to get wet. And last time I tried to do this, my phone would have got soaking wet, so I couldn't make a vlog on it. But right now, I'm gonna start from the back. I'm gonna just sit in water to warm. Okay, it's okay. I'm a little scared myself. And for now, I might post a video like every Sunday or whatever, because I've been liking, and yeah, I'm gonna get back on top of my game and put under 1,000 views now, so I'm working hard, y'all. So yeah. Oh my gosh, like, what? I don't really know how to take this off, like, the little sweater, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna start by rinsing her off. As y'all can see. No, don't leave. Stay calm. Be calm. I may change the camera position as I'm doing this, like every time or whatever. So that I get it from different angles. It depends on which camera. No, I know this girl not trying to get out. Be gone and wipe it down now. I really had to bathe her. I really was supposed to bend because she been stinking. She's so cool. Hold on, y'all. I need to go to the brush. Mika! Come here. Can you look in the box where her stuff and see is her brush in there? Or if not, just go ask my mom where is it.
I'm finally taking a bath.
What you mean? Oh, you took my apple?
Yeah.
Stop trying to get out. No.
It's probably the soap that's in her. Like, maybe she's scared of the soap. That's probably why.
No, she's not. I'm really about scared to do this because the last time I washed her, I did it with my mom. Now I'm gonna Oh, trying to be brave to jump. We watch the front of you now. She's so good. At the baby girl. I like this camera angle actually. I don't think my phone will get wet because she be moving around and be doing interesting. This is really the same stuff. Ooh, this will smell good. I don't even wash her right here because I'm scared it might get in her eye. So we just gonna exclude the head. I don't know really what my next video gonna be, y'all, but I'm gonna come up with something because I want to do like something for Christmas or whatever. But yeah, and I know when I get out for break, I'm gonna be around a lot, and I'm gonna try to go to this little Christmas party. So yeah, I may vlog it, and I got like at least about 5 friends or like 4 that do YouTube now, so I could do a little video with them. When I get done with this, I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff that I bathe her with or whatever, in case y'all need for y'all pets and all that stuff. So I got y'all. I'm really gonna start just posting like unnecessary stuff, literally, because my video game is wet and wet. And I really got lit like in a really funny stuff. I mean, like, it's a lot of stuff I could just vlog. Yes. Sorry, I gotta hold it. Oh my god. Ew.
My head looks so small. Will you see him?
I'm dead like a human standing up. so now y'all, I'm currently in the living room and I'm gonna blow dry her and all that and like show her all the stuff that I use for her. And don't mind this little boy in the back, but clearly he wanna be in the scene so bad, so he's just gonna sit right there. He watching the TV, so yeah. But yeah, I got this plugged up and yeah.
That's it, guys.
Okay, thank you.
That's it. What's up, guys?
Hold on. Okay, so clearly as y'all can see, I'm done now. And her face still wet or whatever, so just give her time to adjust. But yeah, and this her little shirt, y'all. She criminal ready. And yeah. And this the stuff that we use on her. Well, these, it's like most of like all three of these right here. These to kill like bleeds and all that. This stuff. And this really at least about 4. I don't know what other one is. But yeah, they 4. Like, because we have 2 dogs, so yeah. And this one is just regular shampoo. And it smells good. Oatmeal shampoo, whatever. It's white. Whatever y'all see. All on. So yeah, if y'all got some dogs out there, y'all better use them for y'all dogs. And yeah. So I'm gonna be closing this video out. I hope that y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and it was interesting to watch and all that. And yeah, we out.